Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Ever wondered what happens to your body when you drink a cup of coffee every day? Today, we're diving into the instant effects of this beloved beverage and uncovering why that morning cup of joe might be doing more for you than just waking you up. Stay tuned to find out all the surprising benefits. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and fascinating insights. Let's get started. Coffee is a popular beverage made from roasted coffee beans, which are the seeds of berries from the coffea plant. It is typically brewed hot and can be enjoyed in various forms such as espresso, cappuccino, latte, and more. The primary active ingredient in coffee is caffeine, a natural stimulant that affects the central nervous system. Types of coffee: black coffee, just water and coffee, no additives. Espresso, a concentrated form of coffee made by forcing hot water through finely ground coffee beans. Latte, espresso with steamed milk and a small amount of foam. Cappuccino, similar to a latte but with more foam and often a dusting of chocolate. American, espresso diluted with hot water. Importance of coffee in daily life. 1. Boosts energy levels. Primary benefit: the caffeine in coffee helps to combat fatigue and increase alertness. Daily impact: helps people start their day with more energy and focus, which can improve productivity. 2. Enhances physical performance. Primary benefit: caffeine increases adrenaline levels, which can enhance physical performance. Daily impact: beneficial for workouts and other physically demanding activities. 3. Provides essential nutrients. Primary benefit: coffee contains several essential manganese and potassium. Daily impact: contributes to daily nutrient intake. 4. Rich in antioxidants. Primary benefit: coffee is a major source of antioxidants, which help protect the body from free radicals. Daily impact: supports overall health and may reduce the risk of certain diseases. 5. Improves mental function. Primary benefit: caffeine enhances brain function, improving memory, mood, reaction times, and cognitive function. Daily impact: supports mental clarity and helps with tasks that require concentration. 6. Social and cultural significance. Primary benefit: coffee is often a central part of social interactions, business meetings, and cultural rituals. Daily impact: fosters social connections and traditions. 7. Potential health benefits. Primary benefit: studies suggest that regular coffee consumption may lower the risk of several diseases, including Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, and certain types of cancer. Daily impact: contributes to long-term health when consumed in moderation. 8. Aids in weight management. Primary benefit: caffeine can boost the metabolic rate and increase fat burning. Daily impact: can be a part of weight management strategies when combined with a healthy diet and exercise. 9. Improves mood. Primary benefit: caffeine can stimulate the release of dopamine and serotonin, which are neurotransmitters that improve mood. Daily impact: helps to alleviate feelings of depression and anxiety for some people. 10. Reduces risk of certain diseases. Primary benefit: regular coffee drinkers have been found to have a lower risk of developing certain diseases, such as type 2 diabetes. Daily impact: supports preventive health measures. Drinking 1 cup of coffee every day can have various effects on your body, some of which can be felt almost immediately. Here are some of the instant benefits and changes you might notice. 1. Increased alertness. Instant effect: caffeine in coffee stimulates the central nervous system, leading to improved focus and alertness. You might feel more awake and less tired within minutes of drinking coffee. 2. Enhanced physical performance. Instant effect: caffeine can increase adrenaline levels, which prepares your body for physical exertion. This can result in improved physical performance, making it easier to engage in exercise or other physically demanding activities. 3. Mood boost. Instant effect: coffee can improve mood due to its stimulating effect on neurotransmitters, like dopamine and serotonin. You may feel a noticeable uplift in your mood shortly after consuming a cup. 4. Improved cognitive function. Instant effect: caffeine can enhance various aspects of brain function, including memory, reaction times, and general cognitive function. You might experience sharper thinking and quicker reaction times. 5. Metabolism boost. Instant effect: caffeine can increase your metabolic rate, which means you burn more calories even when at rest. This thermogenic effect can start to take place soon after drinking coffee. 6. Enhanced social interaction. Instant effect: coffee can serve as a social catalyst, encouraging more social interactions and conversations. This can instantly make you feel more connected and engaged with others. 7. Reduced perception of pain. Instant effect: Caffeine can act as a mild pain reliever, reducing the perception of pain in some situations, such as during exercise or when dealing with minor headaches. 8. Increased heart rate instant effect. Coffee can cause a temporary increase in heart rate. This is usually harmless for most people but can be noticeable shortly after consumption. 9. Digestive stimulation instant effect. Coffee can stimulate your digestive system, leading to increased bowel movements. This laxative effect can occur soon after drinking coffee. 10. Temporary blood pressure increase instant effect. Some people may experience a short-term rise in blood pressure after consuming caffeine. This effect is usually temporary and diminishes as your body adapts to the caffeine. Conclusion: coffee is more than just a beverage. It's a vital part of daily life for many people around the world. Its combination of taste, aroma, and stimulating effects makes it a beloved drink with numerous benefits. However, it's important to consume it in moderation to avoid potential negative side effects like insomnia, jitteriness, and increased heart rate. While 1 cup of coffee a day can offer several instant benefits, it's important to consume it in moderation and be aware of how your body responds. Everyone's sensitivity to caffeine is different, and excessive consumption can lead to negative side effects like jitteriness or insomnia. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more health tips.